What's up guys, I'm here with a brand new series of best Android apps for 2014. Since it's the holiday season, a lot of you have got your new Android device. So here's my top 20 best Android apps to get you started for 2014. And from my next episode, I will be coming up with new Android apps as well as updated Android apps. Stay tuned for more app videos as well as game videos for your Android device. And without any further ado, let's begin. Number 1 is Device Manager. Device Manager is the app that tracks your Android device. All the devices having your Google account are tracked with this app. This app is very useful if you have lost your phone or you have kept it somewhere and can't remember. When you lose your device, the only thing that comes to your mind are the data that were stored in it, your contacts, credit card information, and much other stuff. So with this app, you can locate your phone, and if you think it's been stolen, you can lock it with a passcode or erase all the data on it. You can simply go on to google.com/android/device manager on your computer browser, sign in with your Google account, and now you can ring the device to locate it, or if it's lost, you can lock it with a passcode or erase all the data on your phone. This is almost like the Find My iPhone app on iOS, so a must-have app for any Android user. Number 2 is Cal, AnyDo Calendar and Widget. Cal is the best calendar app for your Android. If you want a change from the stock Android calendar, this app is just right for you, with fast and beautifully designed interface. Cal is a simple and a smart calendar app. You are able to sync your calendar from other cloud services, and you can sync your Facebook account with this app to get a reminder on your friend's birthday. So these are some great add-ons in my opinion. You will never go back to other calendars if you start using this app once. You get a very stylish days view with a very cool background and also week's views. If you swipe down from the week, you get your whole month at a glance. Tap on the add button to add reminders and turn your phone to landscape mode to see your month and day instantly. And with this app, you also get a stylish widget with a week's event view and the day's event view. So a very cool calendar application. Next one is the Pixlr Express. Pixlr Express is one of the best photo editing app. The pictures you take from your phone are not always perfect. You have red eyes, unsuitable backgrounds, many other factors that matters in your picture. With this app, you can quickly fix any picture. You can crop the picture, resize it, and remove red eyes and so on. You also can adjust the brightness levels, contrast, and many more. You also get this auto fix feature, which is kinda cool for a quick fix to any picture. You can choose from the huge variety of effects or filters like soft, vintage, unicolor, etc. You have overlays, that is, you can add a lot of cool graphics and visual effects onto your picture, and borders to personalize any image. Plus, you can download effects, overlays, borders, etc. from its own huge collection. After that, you can save the picture to your phone by defining the picture resolution. So again, a very cool add-on here. Or share them to different social medias. So a great photo editing application. Next, it's Startup Manager. As you all know, a lot of apps starts or runs in the background when you boot your device. This is okay for high-end phones with huge accessible memory, but still takes your battery power. For mid-range phones or low-end phones, you will find problems regarding the device performance like laggy or slowness. So with this app, you can choose what to start at the startup and what not to. Apps that you don't need running in the background or running in the startup can be disabled. A very handy app for Android users, as this app enhances the battery life and performance of your device. Next one is Flesky. Flesky is a keyboard app that changes the way of typing. With this app, you get a very stylish and a customizable keyboard. The keyboard looks really neat, very minimal, and very elegant, with a lot of gesture controls. The autocorrect function is also very accurate and responsive. As you type, you get a very cool animation from the keys. If you swipe right from the middle row of the keyboard, it will act as a spacebar. If you swipe left, it will act as a backspace or delete. If you tap and hold on the keys, it will give you an option to choose between the symbols and numbers. If your words are autocorrected in a wrong way, make a swipe from top of the keyboard to bring the options of the word suggestion. Keep swiping until you get the right word. You have additional options for your keyboards as well. You can watch the tutorial on how to use this keyboard. You can select different languages, define your own dictionary. You can add your own words which you don't want to be autocorrected. You can change the look and feel of your keyboard. You can select your theme, change the size of your keyboard, change the volume of the typing sounds, and change the haptic feedback settings. So typing is really fun with this keyboard. Next one is Feedly. Feedly is the best way to follow your favorite blogs, news sites, YouTube videos, and so on. With very fast and beautiful layout, this app is very handy to stay updated on almost everything that you are interested in, like technology, politics, games, etc. Once you start this app, swipe from the right and here you can add all your news topics by categories. For example, select add content and now you can select the category. Say for example tech, and now you select tech, you get a bunch of famous tech websites and blogs here. So you can just tap onto this plus button to include that website on your tech category. Similarly, you can do that for other fields too. You can select your favorite photography websites for your photography category. You have this built-in read it later functionality called saved for later for offline reading. So a very cool app for your day-to-day news on your favorite topics and to stay updated on what's happening. The next one is the Cleaner Master. Recently we got an update for this app with some new features and some UI changes. Basically this is a memory booster application with a lot of other built-in functions. Like it displays the storage and the RAM uses. You can clean all your junk files, temporary files, cache, etc. to free your storage and RAM. Boost memory by clearing all the background running apps to free up your RAM to get a better performance out of your device. You have this privacy manager from where you can clear all your call logs, SMS, chat records, etc. Finally, we have this new add-on that is App Manager for uninstalling apps from your device, moving your apps to SD card, or backing up. You also get this cool widget called One Tap Boost which clears all your background running apps and frees up your RAM. And trust me guys, this app really works, especially with low or mid-end devices. The next one is Expense Manager. Expense Manager is great app for managing your expenses and incomes. With this app, you can easily track all your income and expenses. You can track your expenses by week, by month, or by year. And one of the best features of this app is it supports almost all currencies. You also can sync all your income and expense records with different cloud storage. Plus, you get a lot of other options for payment methods, tags to categorize your expenses, and many more. We have some built-in tools like calculator, currency converter, discount and tax calculator, loan calculator, etc. All these tools are really very handy. You also can alert or set a reminder for yourself for certain payments, add notes, and many more. If you are always confused on your savings or you are not sure of where you might have spent the money on, this app is very handy for you. Next one is Task Lock with plugins. This is a widget app. You can place it on your home screen as well, but actually this app is really good for lock screen. That is, if you are on Android 4.2.2 and above, you can enable widgets on your lock screen. So you can place this widget and add additional extensions for it. Let me just quickly show it to you. You have got extensions like Facebook, WhatsApp, your email, your weather conditions, SMS, call logs, etc. And you also can download additional extensions from the Play Store. Once you add extensions, you can view all your notifications of that app right on your lock screen. You can do the setup for your extensions, like say for weather, you want to change the scale, you can do it. Similarly with other extensions too. It looks cool, is very functional as you can view all your notifications from your lock screen, and this app uses very less resources. Here, once you tap on the widget, you get additional features like world clock, alarm, stopwatch, and timer. You can also